What if your AI assistant remembered every conversation, every decision, every document from your entire business history? Not in some generic 128,000 token window, forgets everything from yesterday. I'm talking about actual infinite memory. Tanka just made this possible, and I got exclusive early access to show you exactly how it works. Here's the problem. Majority of the startups waste 30% of team time searching for information that already exists somewhere. Slack threads, email chains, Notion docs, old meeting notes, it's all scattered. Tanka calls this organizational amnesia, and they built an AI co-founder that fixes it permanently. Today, I'm walking you through live demos, showing you the memory graph in action, and explaining why early adopters have a serious advantage right now. Imagine a co-founder who can automatically generate images, posters, and websites based on existing context about your organization, all done with minimal configuration. And the sources are traceable internally and editable. That's what we're looking at here. First, let me show you what this looks like when you fire it up. Setting up Tanka takes about 3 minutes. You create a workspace, connect your tools, and the AI starts building what they call your company brain. I connected Slack first. Instant access to every channel, every thread, every reaction emoji, then Gmail, Google Drive, and Notion. The setup flow is clean. You're not wrestling with OAuth screens or API keys. The moment you connect your first tool, Tanka's EverMemOS kicks in. Think of it as a living knowledge graph. It doesn't just store messages, it understands relationships, who worked on which project, what decisions were made in what context, which documents relate to which conversations. It's continuously indexing, continuously learning, continuously connecting the dots across your entire company history. Here's the difference. Traditional AI assistants lose context after a few thousand tokens. Tanka doesn't forget, ever. You're looking at a knowledge graph. Every node is a memory. Every connection is a relationship. The AI is actively mapping conversations, linking people to projects, connecting decisions to documents. Watch what happens when I ask, what did Sarah say about the Q3 roadmap? Tanka doesn't just search for keywords. It knows Sarah is the product lead. It knows Q3 roadmap discussions happened across Slack, a Google Doc, and a Zoom call transcript. It retrieves the full context, thread links, doc snapshots, timestamps, all cited, all traceable. This is not retrieval augmented generation with a basic vector database. This is a memory-native AI architecture. Tanka's EverMemOS uses neuroscience-inspired design, mimicking how human brains store and retrieve episodic memory. You get unlimited storage, instant recall, and context that never degrades. The graph keeps growing. Every message you send, every doc you create, every meeting you record, it's all integrated in real time. Let me show you a real scenario that sold me on this. Imagine you hire a new developer. Normally, onboarding takes weeks. You send them 50 links, half of which are outdated. They ask the same questions 5 people already answered months ago. It's inefficient, and your team loses focus. With Tanka, I set up an onboarding agent, about 2 minutes. I told it, create an onboarding pack for new backend engineer, include our tech stack, deployment process, code review guidelines, and recent architecture decisions. The AI searched across Notion, Slack engineering channels, and past one-on-one meeting notes. 30 seconds later, I had a living onboarding document, every section linked back to the original source. When the new hire asked, why did we choose Postgres over MongoDB, Tanka pulled up the exact Slack thread from 8 months ago, complete with benchmarks and the final decision rationale. The new developer was productive in 2 days instead of 2 weeks. This is knowledge transfer at the speed of thought. You're not drowning people in information. You're giving them exactly when they need it with full context. Tanka just released their first vertical agent, the Fundraising agent. This one's built specifically for startup founders raising capital. I tested it, and it's ridiculously powerful. You give the agent access to your pitch deck draft, your financials and Google Sheets, competitor research notes, investor email threads, and any market data you've gathered. The agent becomes your fundraising co-founder. It pulls competitive signals, mines your inbox, and Tanka chats for competitor milestones, pricing shifts, market chatter, then benchmarks them in your deck. It pipes in live metrics, monthly recurring revenue growth curves, funnel conversions, channel customer acquisition costs directly from your connected spreadsheets. Charts auto-refresh when your data updates, visualizes your narrative instantly, drafts storyline, auto-generates section artwork, cap table visuals, all in your deck template. Every claim is linked. Every stat traces back to its spreadsheet, Slack thread, or email. Due diligence ready. The output is a shareable, interactive pitch site where investors can toggle funding tiers, examine competitive positioning, and verify every data point. Founders using this are closing rounds faster because the evidence is right there. No more, I'll get back to you on that. Tanka lives where you work. Slack, WhatsApp, Gmail, Outlook, Google Drive, Notion, Jira. Plug it in and it starts learning. The integration layer is smart. Doesn't just pull messages. It understands workflows. Example, smart replies. You're in a Slack thread about a client deliverable. Tanka reads the context, checks your Drive folder for the latest version of the file, scans your calendar for the deadline, and drafts a response that includes the right link, the right timeline, and the right next steps. You review, edit if needed, and send. Saves you 3 minutes per reply. Multiply that by 50 messages a day. Another one, smart recaps. End of the day, Tanka generates a summary of what happened. Decisions made, action items assigned, blockers surfaced. You can set this to auto-post in a dedicated Slack channel or send it via email. Your team stays aligned without sitting through another stand-up meeting. And here's where it gets interesting. Tanka enables visual generation agents. Need a product roadmap HTML page with timeline and Kanban views? The agent pulls from your Jira boards, Notion sprint docs, hiring plans, customer feedback, and competitor feature gap analysis. It generates a live site roadmap that your dev team can pull tickets from, your GTM team can sync launch plans to, and leadership can approve asynchronously. You cut alignment meetings in half. Tanka now records meetings, transcribes them, and automatically updates the team memory. So all key takeaways are saved and actionable. It also connects directly with other features. Recaps feed into follow-ups or investor updates. Your AI-generated website or roadmap reflects the latest product direction from the last meeting. You can instantly search any past call for decisions, metrics, or promised timelines. Let's talk about the technical difference. Most AI assistants, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, work with context windows. Even the biggest models max out around 200K tokens, which sounds like a lot until you realize that's about 150 pages of text. Once you exceed that, the AI starts forgetting the beginning of the conversation. Tanka doesn't have that limitation. EverMemOS isn't a context window. It's a persistent, structured memory layer. You can have a conversation today, reference something from 6 months ago, and the AI recalls it instantly. It doesn't lose fidelity, it doesn't compress, it doesn't hallucinate missing details to fill gaps. This architecture is what makes long-term company knowledge possible. You're not rebuilding context every time you open a new chat. You're working with an AI that already knows your business, your goals, your constraints, your team, your history. Tanka's approach to agents is vertical. Instead of one generic assistant trying to do everything, you get specialized agents trained for specific workflows. The fundraising agent is live. They're building GTM agents, hiring agents, customer success agents. Each agent has deep domain expertise. The GTM agent understands go-to-market motions. It can draft launch plans, analyze competitor messaging, and build enablement docs for your sales team. The hiring agent manages candidate pipelines, retrieves historical interview feedback, and reduces time spent on recruiting admin. These aren't just prompt templates. They're agents with memory, with integrations, with workflow automation baked in. They get smarter the more you use them because they're learning from your company's specific context. Quick note on security, because this matters when you're connecting your entire company's data. Tanka uses enterprise-grade encryption, data in transit and at rest. They're SOC 2 Type 2 compliant. You control access permissions at the team level and the integration level. Your data stays your data. Tanka doesn't train public models on your conversations. The memory graph is private to your workspace. If you disconnect an integration, Tanka stops accessing that data immediately. For companies in regulated industries, healthcare, finance, legal, Tanka offers on-premise deployment options. Your data never leaves your infrastructure. Here's what this unlocks. You're running a startup. You're moving fast. You don't have time to search for that one email from 3 months ago or re-explain the same context to every new hire. Tanka becomes your institutional memory. grows with you, it scales with you, makes your team smarter and faster without adding headcount. Early adopters have the advantage here. You start building your knowledge graph now, day one of your company's memory. A year from now, you'll have an AI that knows more about your business than any single employee. That's a competitive edge you can't buy later. This is the closest thing we have to a true AI co-founder. Not an assistant, not a chatbot, a co-founder that remembers everything, connects the dots, and automates the work that drains your time. Tanka is rolling out early access right now. I've got an exclusive invite link in the description below. Use code AIMaster for 3 months of free premium access. If you found this useful, subscribe. I'm covering the tools that actually matter, the workflows that save hours, and the AI products that justify their price tag. Drop a comment and let me know which use case you want to try first, and I'll see you in the next one.